Welcome to
Dad
and Matt. And it's near Christmas.
It is nearly Christmas. It's currently the 14th of December.
Yeah.
Soon be Christmas.
Yeah.
But we've got an early Christmas present right now.
Yeah.
Should we open it?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Wait, who's from?
This is Dad and Matt on YouTube.
Stay tuned. Check this out. 3, 2, 1, go! Just get it from under the tree.
I'll open it.
Okay. What's it say?
KEMIMOTO.
KEMIMOTO.
Am I saying that right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
What is it?
Oh, wow. It's a heated vest.
A KEMIMOTO heated vest.
Yeah.
Or heated gilet.
I feel like it's going to be for you, so.
Heated body warmer. I don't know what people call them. Heated. It says heated vest.
So, yeah.
But it's also listed as a heated gilet.
Also, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We got a user guide, just in case. It's very well packaged. Nice little bag.
Wait, it feels comfy.
It does feel good. KEMIMOTO.com.
It feels.
What?
Dad.
That is
Power bank.
for the vest. Hopefully it's got some juice in it so we can like try it out right now. Charging cable.
Hey. Yeah, but like, how would it heat up?
That's a great question, Mad.
Is it like, I don't know,
There'll be like elements inside the jacket, you know?
like a glow stick?
I don't know.
Is it comfy?
There's a little plug here. Who needs instructions?
Yeah.
Who needs instructions?
Yeah, we don't need instructions.
There's the power bank. So that looks like it's got pretty much full juice, 3 out of 4 bars.
Yeah.
Shall I try it on?
Yes. I want to like.
Do you want to try it on?
It'll be big
It'll
though.
be big, but you can see how warm it gets.
Yeah, but like.
Let's zip it up, and then see this button on the front.
Yeah.
I think you press and hold, maybe. Yeah. So that's red.
I think it needs one.
So that'll be the hottest setting, I would imagine. I will check the instructions just to be sure.
Giant.
That'll be nice and warm though. This will be good for my cold commutes to work. Any winter rides that I do. Might also be good for camping. Or just like a winter's night.
Yeah.
I might wear it to the pub. Sit in the beer garden with it on under my jacket. Read all safety warnings and instructions.
Right. Okay, totally did that.
Connect the battery to the power cable. Turn on, press and hold for 3 seconds. Press the power button, switch between high, red, medium, blue, low, green.
It's warm on my back.
Yeah.
Smells like lavender.
It smells like lavender.
Yeah.
Does it really?
I don't know, to me it does. It's warm. It's very warm.
The heat will rise to 122 to 131 Fahrenheit.
Oh, I thought you were just had degrees then. I was like,
50 to 55 Celsius on high.
I don't want to be in an oven.
113 to 122 Fahrenheit or 45 to 50 Celsius on medium, and 104 to 113 Fahrenheit, 40 to 45 on low. There's an app.
There's an app.
There's an app.
Hey,
Heat
I
Tech.
can feel some. I can feel the little.
Is it heating here as well? At the front?
Oh yeah, I can feel little things. But
That's the battery, but I mean, like, is it heating on the front? It should have elements on the back and on the front bottom quarters, I think. The Heat Tech
yeah, the
app.
front's not really very warm, but the back's really warm.
Heat. Well, it might be because it's too big for you that you're not getting the full benefits.
You try it on?
I will. While that app is downloading. KEMIMOTO Heat Tech. Oh, I just got that heat straight away. Fits me perfectly.
Wait, are the pockets heated?
The pockets, not sure. I
They
don't
have
think so.
like little pellets things.
It's definitely warm. It's definitely warm on the back.
It is very warm on the back, but I couldn't feel anything at the front.
Available devices, vest is there.
I'm not an expert on
Successfully
computing.
connected. Boom. Oh,
Boom.
wow. I switched up. Is that pink now, the logo?
Yeah.
Green.
Green. Pink. 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 Orange.
Red.
No, that's orange. That's orange. Dad.
Yeah?
That's orange.
Nah, that's red.
Red. Turn on. That's orange.
Turn the light on and off. You can set how long you have it on for. 15-minute increments. That's pretty good.
Oh, it doesn't work.
We'll have it in Celsius because we're British.
Celsius.
Static detecting sensor. On or off. We'll keep that on. It sounds important. Static detecting sensor.
I mean, you shouldn't mess with it too much.
It's pretty intuitive. It's pretty easy to use. Oh, I can feel something getting warm actually.
Where?
Here.
Maybe the pockets are heated? Put your hand in your pocket. Put your hand in your pocket. I can't feel it.
Oh yeah, something's getting warm here in this area.
I don't know, I can't feel anything.
Feel that there?
Oh yeah.
So it's available, if you're in the UK, it's definitely available on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. We'll also, I think we'll have a discount code for anyone wanting to buy one. We'll put a discount code down below. Yeah. Oh, that's really good. I'm going to feel cold now when I take it off. Right.
That light.
Awesome.
Pretty bright.
Feels good. Feels warm.
Yeah.
Feels good quality.
It is good quality, that tells it.
Well, it's like a soft shell fabric. Feels like it might be like water repellent at the very least, if not, I don't know about waterproof.
Yeah,
Not
we
sure.
will have to test that.
But it fits me spot on. I went off the sizing guide when I ordered it, so sizing guide is spot on.
Yeah, because sometimes like you get something and it's like completely different to
Yeah.
the size guide.
True. This particular model comes with the battery pack. I'm also assuming though I could put a bigger battery pack in it if I wanted to last. Don't know how long this battery pack will last, but I'll try and test that out. If not short term, then certainly long term I can come back and put a post up on Instagram, let you guys know. But you could always upgrade the battery pack, put a bigger one in. There's plenty of room in the pocket for a larger battery pack.
Yeah.
I'm pretty impressed so far. First impressions are good. So yeah.
I'll have to see how it is on the bike.
Yeah, I'll test it out on a commute to work, on a cold commute to work this December, and
I say we, I mean Dad, because
I'll let Maddie know.
I'll probably be at school.
Better watch that Mum doesn't steal it from me. So we'll switch over to, we'll cut to the review now because I'll have that recorded. We'll put it all together in one video. So we'll switch to the review.
In 3, 2, 1.
So folks, John here from Dad and Mad. I'm just testing out the KEMIMOTO Heated Vest. Also my first time wearing the photochromic transitional visor from Ruroc. And the visor's sick. Visor's like see-through when it needs to be. I mean, is it see-through still? It's tinted but see-through. I don't know. You know what I mean. It does what it needs to do when it needs to do it. I've got it open ajar, not because of the visor, but because of my glasses. The visor does not steam up my glasses, despite it not having a pin lock, which is incredible. But my glasses do steam up, so I need some better coating for those. As for the KEMIMOTO vest, I've put it on full. I will double check that when I get to my mate Andy's, because I'm not really feeling that much, I'll be honest. It's 9 degrees Celsius, which is about 48 Fahrenheit, 48 point something Fahrenheit. It's mildly windy. It's December. It's a winter's morning. It's 10:30 in the morning, December 23rd, and I should be feeling something in the front, and I don't think I am. It doesn't feel like I am. It's nothing noticeable. Maybe it's just putting me back to body temperature when I should be freezing. But my hands, I've got my summer gloves on. My hands don't feel like too cold, so I should be feeling, I don't know, I should be feeling something more noticeable, I feel like. If when I check this over at Andy's it is on and it's on full, then maybe this vest is better suited for camping, fishing, stuff where maybe I haven't got the extremities of like wind and speed on a motorcycle, you know what I mean, like hiking, fishing, camping, maybe cycling, I don't know, other such endeavours. But yeah, not overly impressed. Sorry, KEMIMOTO. You wanted an honest review. It feels like a great product. It feels like good quality. The fact that you get the battery pack included, like, it's a good price. Like, the material is good. The instructions in the app are brilliant. But as for using it on my motorcycle in my conditions with the gear that I wear, can't really say I'm feeling the benefit. So that is my honest review so far. I mean, like I say, I'll double check it, make sure it's working as it should. But yeah, I guess we'll leave it at that for now. Just touching base. I checked the vest, it was on, battery was full, vest was on full power, there was nothing blocking it. Turn it off and back on, check the app, and I also rode back from my ride without the vest to see if there was much difference, and I'm afraid to say there was not. So back over to past Dad and Mad. Over to you. So you'll have just watched a review.
And
Nothing left to say, but thank you, KEMIMOTO.
yes, thank you.
Really
Thank you
appreciate
very
it.
much.
Again, links in the description below, and check out our Instagram as well. We'll have a post on there.
Yeah.
So thank you very much, and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad. You can do like a sped up version of me singing Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. I'm not sure.
Feliz Navidad. Happy Navidad. Feliz Navidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas in the bottom
of my heart.
Bye.
Let's do a quick outro.